Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And what to say, our markets are super manipulated, and you know what is the reason. And I'll tell you this, like I want to talk many things, but it is very unfortunate I cannot talk anything openly outright in this place, right? We are living in a country where you might be understanding, right? So Adani is highly manipulated, and you know what is happening Hindenburg. Just to give you some example, Adani FPO, you know what is FPO, follow on public offer. IPO is first time if they give an public offering, it's called IPO, initial public offering. After IPO, they are giving FPO. So they are planned to raise around 20,000 crores. And second day, today is the second day, not even 2% is subscribed. And FPO is priced at around 3,100 to around I think 3,200 range, and the stock, if I am right, today it is trading at around high was around 2,900. See who is going to buy, right? So this is the way. And you know what, all of Adani stock, whether it is Adani Green, Adani Transmission, Adani Power, and Ambuja Cement, all was in the red. Only one stock, Adani Enterprises, was in the green. It was up by, at one point it was up by around 4.4%, that too because of FPO. They are just pumping. They are pumping from offshore accounts. They are pumping from shell company. They are pumping from so-called FIA people, right? Just to get the FPO subscribed. Now FPOs cannot be open for more than 10 days, right? It is going to be a disaster. It is going to be a disaster for them, right? They cannot keep the IPO for 10 or 15 days. And for this FPO to be successful, it has to be subscribed at least 90%, which is not happening. So that's why what they are doing is they are pumping, they are bringing the price up. Pure manipulation. And I can tell you, if you are someone trading in weekly option, you will find it very hard to manage this kind of move. How much Nifty has moved today, right? From how much, 17,800, 17,500, 17,700, so much volatile Nifty and BankNifty. It is very, very hard to trade in this kind of market. And if I'm not surprised, let me check the FII data. Today's FII data will be in positive only because of Adani. And apart from that, it is only Adani. I don't know. I'm sure if you are a person who is into stock options, I will tell you, I will pray to God, don't go in stock options, particularly Adani. Don't try to be smart. These people are super smart. And I saw a news just coming here, before coming here, that IHC is an international holding company of Abu Dhabi royal family. They are planned to invest around 400 million in Adani Enterprises, Adani FPO. So this is how people are manipulated. This is how prices are manipulated. And the result is people like us are stuck in between, right? So FIA data has come. So I thought FIA would have been net buyers, but DIs have been net buyers around 5,512 crores, and FIs have sold around 6,792 crores, right? So this is how markets are looking. Not only this, going forward, this week is going to be very, very choppy. Tomorrow is FinNifty expiry, and you know what is going to happen, how FinNifty is going to be. It is going to be super choppy as usual, and that too one day before budget. Day after tomorrow is India Union budget. It is going to be super volatile again. Then after that, what is going to happen is this US interest rate decision is going to be there. So all 3 days it is going to be super choppy. So be careful. If you are not having caliber, just avoid this market. Take some rest and don't try to play smart. That's what I can say, right? So it's going to be really, really choppy. So be careful. In another news, this is how the markets are. What to say, right? See, this is the manipulation. This is the manipulation at the best, right? What they can do, if they have to make people subscribe FPO, they will have to bring it above 3000 or 3000 rupees, 3100. So they are just pumping in from offshore accounts. So, but how many days? The question is how many days they can keep on pumping, right? But what I can tell you is, if you want to trade this market, just do some short straddles. Premiums are really good. Even monthly February expiry, I am saying premiums are really good because India VIX is very high. You can sell February or even March. That's what we have done. Not only us, even our members in mentorship program have sold March expiry because we don't find premiums in Nifty, FinNifty or Nifty. FinNifty tomorrow is expiry, right? Not even 60 points. Straddle, not even 60 points. We are getting combined premium. So you know what happens. And FinNifty moves 100 or 150 points. So it is going to be very super tough to adjust weekly options. That's why I pray to God, don't try to trade weekly options. You will find it very hard to manage these weekly options. So avoid weekly options and go for long month options, long month options, maybe March, April, or if you want, you can go to December also, so that you can avoid these noises, right? And FII data, not FII data, open interest data, no use of seeing open interest data. It is scattered everywhere. Yesterday we saw so much of call writing, today we saw so much of put writing. So from this you can understand open interest is a lagging indicator, right? Something happens, then you are getting some indication. If there is indication before something happens, that is momentum indicator or whatsoever. But open interest, this FII data, all are lagging indicator, right? That's why in our Telegram group I told yesterday, it's not about your strategies, it's not about how much skilled you are, right? It's about your mindset, how far you can take it, or how patient you are when it comes to trading option. That is the key here. So we'll see how things pan out. So budget is just 2 more trading session. Like I told you, it's you have to be really calm, and if you want to trade, just trade 2 or 3 lots. Don't go more than 3 lots. And if you are uncomfortable, just avoid trading this market. It is going to be super choppy all these coming days. So it's my advice. So please avoid this market at least till these events are finished, right? So that's it. Nothing much. And I can tell you, my friends, no strategy will work in weekly options or even to some extent in monthly options. So even premiums are low and markets are moving like anything hell. So it's better to avoid these fragile markets. Stay safe. Nothing much to talk. You know what is happening in the market, right? I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.